So as you can see, Google SketchUp beginner level 1 tutorial file is open. And before I am going to begin this lecture, I like to tell you something very important, and it is very important for those who is watching this video to learn about Google SketchUp and who don't have any kind of basic knowledge about Google SketchUp. So they need to know about the difference between edge style and face style. Like these are the edges, and between these are the edges which is around this surface, and this surface is called face style. This surface is called face in Google SketchUp. So now I'm going to tell you about face style. So for that I'm going to left click on view option, which is available top left hand side of the user interface here on which my cursor is right now. So I click left on user interface, the option of view on which I click left. So one window is open, and I'm going to scroll down through this window to put my cursor on face style, and the another window is pop up after putting my cursor on face style. This is the small window on which the first option is X-ray, wireframe, hidden line, shade with texture, and monochrome. And our this tiny house right now in monochrome mode. The monochrome option is on, and in monochrome we can see this tiny house is visible with some edges, and it seems pretty much sketchy with these edges. And if I going to repeat that process, like left click on view and then scroll down and put my cursor on face style, so the small list is again pop up, and I'm going to turn on the wireframe mode. Wireframe option is on right now. So you can see in wireframe mode we can see through the walls, which is completely transparent, as well as all these wires are also visible, and we can see the wire of chimney from bottom to top clearly visible, as well as wires of wall, door, window, as you can see here. As I am clicking on these wires, when I click left on these wires, as I click on wire of chimney, so it's visible in blue color. As I am going to click on the wire of wall, so it is visible in blue color. So now you know about the wireframe option, which will help us while designing. And now I am going to turn on the hidden line option. So you can see in hidden line all those wires which were visible in wireframe mode, it is not visible in hidden line mode because this is a hidden line option. So all those wires are hidden, which is visible in wireframe mode. So we cannot see through the walls and whatever object behind that wall, we cannot see that clearly, as well as all those wires are not visible in the hidden line mode. In the hidden line option when it is on. And in shaded option, all those colors which we have applied previously on this tiny house, which is clearly visible, and it is give us clear idea that how the object will look like after render. So this shaded option is very useful because when it's on, so it will give us complete idea that whatever color we have applied it how will look after render. So it is very useful option, shaded. And if I am going to on the option shaded with texture, so you can see colors are also visible as well as texture, because this is a shaded with texture mode. The shaded with texture option is on. The texture of wall, roof, window, all these are on. All these are visible when shaded with texture option is on. And when I'm going to click on monochrome option, so as you can see again the lines and the plain white color of texture is on. A sketchy view is visible. And if I am going to click on X-ray option, so you can see it is right now in X-ray mode, and it is also in monochrome mode. Wait, I will show you. X-ray monochrome, and if I uncheck that monochrome, so monochrome mode is off, and right now it is in completely in a X-ray mode. And the best part about the X-ray is we can use X-ray mode with any other mode, like in wireframe, hidden lines, shade with texture, and monochrome, as I'm going to do it now. The X-ray is off. I'm trying to off the monochrome, and for that I'm going to click on shaded. So right now the shaded mode and X-ray is on. I'm going to show you how X-ray and shaded both are on. As you can see, my cursor is on X-ray and shaded mode, both are on. And as you can see, colors are also visible because shaded mode is on, as well as we can see through the walls because X-ray mode is also on. And if I am going to on the wait, let me show you shaded with texture. So you can see texture is also visible, colors is visible, as well as we can see through the chimney and door, window, and see through the roof clearly because X-ray mode is on. So these are the benefit of X-ray mode. And X-ray mode is much better to use as compared to wireframe, because in wireframe sometimes is very difficult to find the wires, especially in complex design. Like if you are designing some kind of building structure where is so many like wires and other building elements are present, so it is very difficult to find the wires, which wire is going where. So it is much better to use X-ray mode with the combination of any other mode. And if you like this tutorial video, so please subscribe and share with your friends to spread the knowledge of power. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.